welcome to the channel. So today guys, in this video we're gonna be doing Amazon unboxing.
We buy toys.
Yes, we buy toys for the cats. For the kitten is a tree house.
Let's open it.
Yeah, we're gonna open it, baby, and we're gonna be unboxing it. Ugh. I think this was $47. Package it real nice.
What's that?
So this is the first piece. It feels very nice. Feel it, baby.
It's
a hole in it. Got board under it. It have. Oh, be careful. It got the instruction in there for you to set it up. And all the pieces, it got screws, and it also come with some kind of tool to screw it in.
Yes, make the house.
Oh, here goes the little house part for them to store in.
We made top.
Yeah, the cat house. And a little scratcher for the paw. And this is the other thing.
That's the top.
So we're gonna be setting it up by looking on the instructions and put it together. So one, they said get, yes, baby. This. What else? Number two.
These, I think.
Number two said B18. What is B18? Does it have a good? Oh God. We having technical difficulties.
I need the screw.
Put the screw. What you doing with the cat? He's not ready yet for him to get in there, okay? We gotta build it up. Oh, God. What is it? Oh, God. We're having technical difficulty. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
Guys, we don't know what the hell we're doing, but we're
What
trying to fix
What
it.
guy?
And look who is here. No, Luna. Luna here. I want to see what y'all doing. 'Cause I know y'all don't know to do nothing. Wait. I don't know why there's a screw in this.
Hey.
Leave the damn cat, Cece. Oh God. Don't make a sense.
Time lapse.
Uh-oh.
Stop the damn cat. Leave the cat, Cece. Leave her. God. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. Let's do this piece first. Move, baby, move.
So bottom.
Bottom.
So it's supposed to go at the bottom.
Need some more in here. Why this is like this, I'm not sure.
Stop. Move.
You're feeling a different level.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Hey, what the hell are you doing? You're so evil.
What is she doing?
She's trying to step on the cat's head.
Why?
Cause she's just like that. The evil
It's the house.
side.
It's the house, Mommy.
Boom,
Why
mommy.
the hell this is in here? That's what I
Stop.
don't get. How did shit ever do? the short side down.
Okay, Ma, I did it.
Short.
Shit, it's falling.
That should take them out. I'm trying to figure it out. So you got 3 short pieces, and you're just gonna put them in where the holes are open up.
What about this one?
That one should go somewhere because it's only 3 holes. And that's what it
Where's the
looks
other
like
one?
so far. There's 3 in there.
Yeah, but where's the other one?
Then
Is he okay?
they say you should get 2 on the base. We should screw these with a screw. Don't really tell me which size screw. This one or this. You don't have to follow the picture, guys. I swear. I'm trying to hold it sturdy. I don't want it to crumble on these damn cat.
Oh, there's the other one. No. Well, now it's gonna be hard for this to get in.
That don't go in there.
Oh. Oh, you're right. It only shows 2. But it's the bottom. Why do these cats need so much storage?
Just to play around.
So they can jump on parachute. Oh. How does this even work?
Move out of the video, Cece.
Can I
get it.
try?
Yeah. Do it the other way so you have more grip.
You said the other way. Oh, you can turn it around.
Leave it, baby.
You do this. It's hard. Can you just use your hands?
Yeah, they get in a castle. You want to do it? Go ahead. Do it this way. Go ahead. Good.
Oh,
Then you're not trying? Alright. Let me help you. Let me help you, baby. What you mean let you help you? You don't want to do nothing? Wait.
let me help you.
Jesus
You heard
Christ,
her.
you're gonna let the key last. Alright, do it then. Alright, so I think we need 2 boards.
It's already locked in. Now how about this screw? I want to. You want to?
Think we can do this wrong. There should be one of these
Huh?
in here.
Okay, so that's. I can understand. Come on.
Here.
Yeah. It's already done.
No.
Mommy already did it.
Oh.
Give it to me, baby. Where get the screw?
Mom, you're doing it. Rude. Wait, it's screwed in well.
I bet they're not here.
Oh, ah.
Is that bee? Do it is a picture of my hand.
I got nothing to hide.
Alright, we put on these two parts. So you gotta put in 3 fur in the house, and then the 2 brown piece that same size on it. As long as you follow the instruction, you will get it. It's gonna be a little bit complicated at first, but we will.
I got nothing to hide. Nothing.
See, you didn't need our help.
Got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide.
Me have you. Me have you.
Wait, no, baby.
Me have you.
You say we help you.
Me have you.
Go ahead.
Uh-oh. Almost.
Almost there.
Almost there.
This is the hardest thing ever to set up. I don't know if I'm doing it right. It's so hard. It's setting up in bits because it's not fully.
I got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide.
Wait up.
Don't put him up the top. It wanna fix, okay?
Okay. That's what you do. Oh, well, it's not shit. Look. See? It's it. And pull it up there. Look. Meow. Hear me playing. Take it, throw. Then throw it. Yeah. Yeah.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to
That's it. The harder she is, Bob.
hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. Got nothing to hide. I got nothing.
Go to house. Sorry, not him, not him.
You ain't no house. He's not here yet.
Wait, baby, I gotta screw it in. Jesus Christ, you got think I'm finished. I got one screw left over. Where it go, I don't know. But this is the end. And I have this. And I don't know where it goes. Because I'm following the picture. And the picture is pissing me off. I pulled this up so many times just to get to this level. But I think this one goes here. This go right on the hook here. I think that's where it goes. Screw it in. Where this go, I'm not sure, to be honest, but yes, it's oh, so that's so much friggin' hole spot. So that's it. That's it for now. Bye.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted.